frequently to see patients who have many times malaria during the year. They can take malaria for 5 or 10 times. In some cases, they can get malaria for 20 times.
Esto Augusto ha tenido malaria. Hace 3 meses que está así con malaria. Le repite y se sana, así está en el tratamiento. Ahorita está en tratamiento. Una semana no se da jardín porque estaba así, con la fiebre, no le quería dejar la fiebre. Por eso no le mandaron, ni le avisaron a su profesora que está con la malaria.
Cases of malaria are concentrated in the jungle, is in Iquitos, where the malaria is an endemic disease. We have thousands of cases a year, and different kind. For example, P. vivax or P. falciparum malaria.
Algunos no terminan el tratamiento por la cantidad de pastillas que se le da, ¿no? Algunos por descuido, otros porque viven solos, no acuden otra vez al centro de salud, o algunos porque ya sienten mejoría clínica, o sea, se sienten mejor y creen que están sanos y no completan el tratamiento.
Having a single-dose treatment available to patients can greatly increase the compliance. Current treatments are given at minimum 3 days. With DSM, we have the hope with a single dose to combat the disease.
DSM265 has some great science behind it, an excellent potential for a single-dose cure. This is not only for therapy, but also for chemoprevention.
We're here in Peru and we're working on the DSM265 project. MMV's partners in this case are GHIT, which is funded by the Japanese government, the pharmaceutical industry and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and we're working specifically with Takeda. But it's also very important to mention that our other partners are the doctors and the patients represented behind me.
DSM265 is a selective inhibitor of the plasmodial enzyme called DHODH. DHODH is an enzyme that is a key enzyme in the replication of the parasite. So if we inhibit that enzyme with DSM265, we can stop the life of the parasite.
Why it's important to develop a new drug like DSM265 is because it could potentially address some of the key unmet medical needs in the malaria area, or even open up possibilities that today's medicines don't really afford us. And if this is successful, this could lead on to increased success in elimination programs and eventually malaria eradication.
The most exciting feature for me is its safety profile. It is extremely well tolerated in humans so far, which gives us hope that we can develop an anti-malarial treatment with lesser side effects as the current treatments.
The other thing is that drug resistance is biting at our heels. Around the other side of the globe in Southeast Asia, but we know from history that this can repeat itself, it can travel, and we can lose the drugs that we have. We've made such enormous progress against malaria, we can't let that progress be lost to resistance. We need new medicines.
Lleva al centro de salud, ahí le sacan su sangre, dice que tiene malaria, le empiezan a dar su tratamiento otra vez. Y termina su tratamiento una semana sano, y le vuelve a dar otra vez.
If we can identify a drug, just one pill for treatment, it will be the best.